Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the immediate environment. Confirm your device is on the correct SSID or cabled to the right port, and check for ISB outage alerts. Next, power cycle the modem and router by unplugging power for 30 seconds and plugging back in. This often clears transient faults. While they reboot, open your device's network settings to note IP, gateway, and DNS entries so you know what changes later. Once done, connect one wired device and one wireless device to determine whether the problem is local to one interface. You now look deeper at addressing and name resolution to distinguish routing from DNS failures. Run ipconfig Windows or ifconfig/IPA Linux/Mac and confirm your IP, gateway, and DNS entries. Then ping the gateway to verify local routing and ping 8 to test external reachability independent of DNS. If you can ping numeric IPs but not host names, flush the DNS cache and set alternate DNS like 8. If your IP seems self-assigned, finish by validating the middle and outer path. Examine your router's logs and firmware version, and reboot or update firmware if available. Factory reset only when necessary and after backing up settings. Temporarily disable local firewall or antivirus network protections to rule out blocked traffic, and test with a direct modem-to-device connection to bypass the router. If you still lack internet, gather modem/router status pages and logs. Then contact your ISB for provisioning or line tests. One key tip: try another known good modem or SIM to isolate their equipment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.